Salir a votar. To zagłosować.
Allez et votez.
Vá e vote.
There is the baggage, the past that we bring with us always is what is happening in my country. And in Russia, basically, this basic right, the fundamental right to vote, was denied by the government since 2000s. I think that it's a very interesting experience that the Irish legislation gives us a right to vote as international protection applicants. So it's something very unusual in most of the countries in the world. So having this right, I think it's a crime not to use it.
Personally, I have been here for 9 years. I have work, I volunteer, I have 2 daughters and they are Irish. So to me, the future of Ireland is also my future, and it is important. We can change the way that people think about migrant people, the kind of the belief about migrant people, that we just come here to get money and to go. We actually care about Ireland, and we want to be part of the future and the decision of the future of Ireland. Yeah.
Most of the immigrants come here to stay here, so it's only logical for them to get involved also in the political life, and of course to learn that they have to choose who they're going to be represented by. I'm not running only for Romanians, so I'm running for the local community that includes Irish people and other nations. This is a first for me, and I must say that I'm very nervous and also excited.
We have one of the most inclusive voting systems in Ireland, especially at local government level, where in local elections, regardless of your nationality, regardless of your immigration status, you can register to vote. So that's massively inclusive from a democratic point of view, but most people don't know about it. They don't know about their voting rights. They don't know they can register, they don't know they can vote. They think you have to be a citizen, which is true of elections and true of referenda, but for local elections it is possible to be included even if you're not a citizen of the state. It resonates with Irish people because we have had a history of emigration right up until the mid-1990s, when really that was the first time we had more immigration than emigration. So we are everywhere. The Irish are everywhere. We've migrated to every corner of the world, and we've worked hard everywhere we've gone to try and integrate ourselves and try and build up the countries that we've been in. So I think that message makes a lot of sense to Irish people, but sometimes we forget it. Sometimes you forget it because the things that are put in the media about migration can overwhelm that opinion that Irish people have, and introduce an element of fear and misinformation and kind of negative and kind of stereotype stories about migration. I think we need to remind ourselves of that migration's a normal thing, it's a human process. We've done it for centuries ourselves, and it's no different when people come here, that we should treat them as we wanted to be treated when we went to other countries,